Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Microsoft Store error. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Click Yes to continue. Type Wsreset. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type Microsoft Store, select Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.